how to fix Telegram login problem. Hello guys, so all what you want to do is very simple. Go to the settings, go to the apps, and when you go to the apps now, all what you want to do is very simple. Just scroll until you find the Telegram right here. Click on Telegram, and after that it will take you directly into this page. First stop the app and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again, and this time click on storage, click on clear cache and manage space. Now as you can see, the storage is cleared. Go back to the settings now, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it after 5 seconds. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.